So over here, I have a recording, and then in this recording, there's audio and video right here. If I were to press the play button, here, who will share his experience on how he makes. So what you see right here is audio and video at the same time. So now, sometimes what you may want to do is you may want to bring in everything. Let's say, for example, you press in and out point and you bring in right here. So for the video files where audio is there, you can see that both the audio and video files actually come up over here. Let me just zoom out a bit on the timeline right here. There's this audio right over here on the bottom and the video, and they are linked together. But sometimes you may just want to bring in the video clips or audio clip right there. So I'm going to go around and then delete out this particular clip right here. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go around and then hover around, and here you can see use video is an option right here, and use audio is an option over here as well. If you were to click around use video and click and drag it, then you only drag in video clip over here, as you can see. Similarly, if you were to go around, click and drag out the audio, then you only drag out the audio right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and hold Alt and click and drag, then also you bring in just an audio clip right here, just like this. And that is how you can bring in individual videos and audio out of the same video clip as well inside of HitFilm timeline by using the trimmer right there. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe